Hello, I am Victor, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on April 4th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. World Rat Day, celebrated on April 4th each year, is a day dedicated to honoring and recognizing the often misunderstood and underappreciated rodents that share our world. This day aims to raise awareness about rats as intelligent, affectionate, and highly social animals that can form strong bonds with their human caretakers. Rats have played a significant role in scientific research, contributing to numerous breakthroughs in medicine and psychology, and they continue to be valuable subjects for study. By celebrating World Rat Day, we also acknowledge the importance of rats in various cultures and their historical impact on human society. As pets, rats can be loving, playful, and entertaining companions. They are known for their intelligence, curiosity, and problem-solving abilities, which can make them engaging pets for people of all ages. National Hug a Newsperson Day. National Hug a Newsperson Day is a day dedicated to showing appreciation and gratitude for the journalists and news professionals who work tirelessly to keep us informed about the events happening around the world. Celebrated on April 4th each year, this day is an opportunity for people to express their admiration for newspersons by giving them a warm embrace or sending virtual hugs. Journalists, reporters, and other news personnel often face challenging situations, long hours, and sometimes even danger, to bring us accurate and up-to-date information. By participating in this day, we acknowledge their dedication and commitment to their profession, and offer a gesture of support and encouragement for their invaluable work. As a society, we rely heavily on the news media for information, analysis, and updates on crucial events that shape our lives. Tell a Lie Day, observed annually on April 4th, is an unusual and light-hearted day that invites people to indulge in some harmless, imaginative, and creative fabrications. While honesty is generally regarded as the best policy in our everyday lives, Tell a Lie Day offers a temporary reprieve from this norm, allowing participants to stretch their storytelling skills in a fun and non-malicious manner. The day serves as a reminder that, although truthfulness is essential, there is also room for creativity, humor, and the exploration of the fine line between fact and fiction. Tell a Lie Day encourages participants to engage in playful deception by spinning tall tales, sharing exaggerated stories, or inventing elaborate scenarios that are clearly not based in reality. The purpose of the day is not to deceive or manipulate others, but rather to provide an opportunity to exercise creativity and enjoy the art of storytelling. By engaging in harmless lies, individuals can tap into their imagination, foster a sense of camaraderie, and share laughter with friends and family. While it is important to emphasize the value of honesty and integrity in our daily lives, Tell a Lie Day offers a brief, entertaining, and guilt-free departure from the truth, reminding us of the boundless potential of human imagination. International Carrot Day, celebrated annually on April 4th, is a day dedicated to honoring and appreciating the versatile and nutritious root vegetable that has become a staple in cuisines around the world. This vibrant, orange vegetable is not only packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber but also boasts a natural sweetness that makes it a favorite among both children and adults. International Carrot Day aims to raise awareness about the health benefits of carrots, promote their consumption as part of a balanced diet, and encourage people to explore the numerous ways in which carrots can be enjoyed, from crunchy raw snacks to sweet and savory cooked dishes. The celebration of International Carrot Day also highlights the rich history and cultural significance of carrots, which have been cultivated for thousands of years and are now available in various colors, shapes, and sizes. On this day, carrot enthusiasts, nutritionists, and food lovers alike come together to share recipes, organize carrot-themed events, and showcase the remarkable diversity of this humble vegetable. The day serves as an opportunity for people to learn more about the nutritional benefits of carrots, discover new ways to incorporate them into their meals, and appreciate their unique and delicious flavor. 404 Day, observed on April 4th each year, is a playful nod to the infamous 404 not found error message encountered by internet users when a requested web page cannot be found. The number 404 is a status code that indicates a client's inability to locate the desired content on a server. As the digital world has become an integral part of our lives, 404 Day serves as a lighthearted reminder of the importance of maintaining well-organized and up-to-date web content, and also emphasizes the need for better error handling and user experience on websites. By celebrating 404 Day, web developers, designers, and internet enthusiasts come together to acknowledge the challenges and frustrations that can arise from navigating the vast and ever-changing online landscape. This day encourages professionals to share tips, best practices, and innovative solutions for addressing broken links, improving website navigation, and enhancing the overall user experience. That's it for today. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on April 4th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic time celebrating.